In this video, I'm going to show you how I add this WEIZE server rack battery to my solar system. For now, I am connecting it to the main bus bar. Later, I might have to fabricate a custom battery rack to put it on along with those 4 other batteries in the corner. If I can find a battery cabinet that could fit those different batteries, that could be a better option. I also have a battery cabinet next to it that's already full, so that is not an option. Now let's start the process of connecting this battery to the main system. First, I make sure to shut down everything first. I follow by connecting the positive 2A wire from the battery to the bus bar. Next, I slide the positive bus bar cover back in place. I repeat the same thing on the negative side, connecting a 2A wire. Because the wire is in red, I mark the end of them with black electrical tape. Next, I install the negative bus bar cover. After that, I installed the battery terminal covers. I had to make a grounding cable that's long enough to reach the main grounding bus bar. If you're interested in seeing what this battery looks like on the inside, as well how it performed during testing, I will leave both videos in the description below. I follow by connecting the grounding wire to the grounding terminal. I run the grounding wire through the OSB shielding, run behind it, come on top, where it will be connected to the main grounding bus bar. Next, I connect the grounding wire to the main grounding bus bar. I already turned on everything else. Now I'm double checking to make sure everything was done properly before turning on this battery. And before connecting this battery to the main system, I made sure the voltage between them was as close as possible. After adding this battery to the main solar system, the battery capacity is somewhere around 84 kilowatt hour. I've been using this battery with my main system for a month now. Let's log into the app to see how many cycles it has so far. It is showing 18 cycles. Keep in mind, I do charge my EV with this system, which has a usable capacity of 131 kilowatt hour. You can also view individual cells in the app. The Bluetooth connection in this WEIZE server rack battery is really strong. This battery is all the way in the basement. There's a first and second level. I can be all the way in the attic and I can still get a reading on my phone. After seeing inside of this battery, I can say it is made really well. After testing it, I can say it performed very well. And I think the pricing is very attractive. I will leave link in the description if you're interested, as well as coupon code. For more videos about this WEIZE server rack battery, links will be in the description below. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, you might enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.